In this video I'm going to resolve one unconscious sheet of MDF into the parts you see here. The parts are white because of cut to film this before painting. In this 3-part series I'm going to make covers for shoes. This is the first video where I cut all the parts. In the second video I'm going to paint it and assemble the base frame. And in the final videos I'm going to make some drawers and reveal the result. But for now some cutting. Here you see the design which I made in SketchUp. The top is slanted, this is for the slipper storage. This looks best on our slanted top. The cupboard is made for a house of 5 people, so we required 5 slipper spots. An added benefit to these spots are that the slippers won't fall out of the storage and are easy to tidy up. Now that the sides are cut to final dimensions, it's time to make some grooves and some shelves. The grooves will hold the shelves up and require only glue to be strong enough to take some shoes and some other weight. This cupboard needed a lot of material and a lot of sewing because it's 140 centimeters high, 30 centimeters deep and 65 centimeters wide. So let's add some music and speed through this process. If you got to this point, you might as well like and subscribe because I got a lot of cool content coming up. The next project is a live edge slab. This was the design and now you see the final test fit before painting. I will be painting this in the next video, so please subscribe.